I apologize for what you guys are about to see. This is me installing it in an abandoned Walmart parking lot. Hey, what's going on, people? It's Jay Burger here, back with another video. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but today I'm on my way to go pick up something pretty interesting. It's an RTR style lower grill. So I did have some problems when I ordered this grill. I bought this off of American Muscle for about $250. They didn't ship it out for some reason. It got lost in transit. It never got shipped out. So I reached out to them, told them, hey, what's going on? They did an investigation, found out it wasn't shipped. So they sent me another one. Here we are 2 weeks later, and I'm finally getting in. I ordered this on June 21st, 2024, and it's currently July 11th. So you guys do the math, about 20 days or so, I don't know. Terrible experience. I've never had any bad experiences with American Muscle. I've ordered countless parts from them. This is the first issue I've had with them. Just want to let you guys know that this is something that can happen. It's a lot of money to just have floating around and to not have for 2 weeks. Hopefully I can get some footage of me putting it on. I'm on my way to pick it up. So see you in a bit. So I finally picked up the grill. It's the biggest box I've ever seen in my life for the smallest product I've ever seen in my life. Haven't even seen it, but I'm assuming it's probably going to be small based off of the size of the original. I apologize for what you guys are about to see. This is me installing it in an abandoned Walmart parking lot because I have nowhere else to do it. So this is how big the box is, and I just realized it, but this is my first RTR product ever. I don't know if you guys know who RTR is, but they make some pretty cool Mustang products. So it looks like this grill is being held in maybe by this temperature sensor right here. So I'm gonna try to pop that thing out. That's the old one right there. Pretty beat up. This is a nice comparison between the two. And of course we're gonna go ahead and get down here and wipe this stuff down. So this grill offers 2 air induction slots right there and on the other side, of course. But as you can see, part of the bumper is preventing it from going in there because there's a piece here. So we need to cut that piece out. This is what it looks like after cutting this piece out. I hated doing that shit. I fucking hate it. But it must be done. It's a small sacrifice for salvation.
"24 hours later."
All right, guys. So I came back out here to show you the finished product because I guess I lost the footage from yesterday. Of course, now it's a little dirty, but it looks real good, especially with the RTR style grill up top. So, let me see. Yeah, it's looking pretty sick, guys. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Definitely recommend it. Looks good, fits good. A little bit of cutting, but took about 20 minutes.